Hi, today I'm going to show you how to design your very own Shopify website. Now, the best way you can design your own Shopify website is just by picking a pre-made template made by professional right here. There's some free ones and there's some paid one. And these websites are professionally designed, they're streamlined, they're well thought of, they'll be good for your store, but if you want to add more personality onto your store, then I'm going to show you how to design it yourself. So, of course, if we want to design from the admin dashboard, we want to go into online store and then on themes. And then let's press on customize. And this will be the editing UI you're going to play around with. So I'm going to show you first how to change elements from a pre-made template. So for example, here I'm selling a figurine of Batman. And I want to change the image on the banner here on the background onto a Batman image because I'm selling figurines of him. So let's just search up Batman wallpaper. I'll pick a nice looking one. Well, this one. It's a bit low quality, so I'm gonna pick another one. This one instead. I'm going to save the image. Make sure it's in JPEG or it's in PNG. And once that's done, you'd want to click on it. And you want to pay attention on the left-hand side here. There's first image and there's second image. I'm going to show you first on the first image. I'm going to select that. I'm going to add images. I'm going to add the image I just downloaded earlier. Once that's done, I'm going to add that in. And now the background image will be of Batman. You can also add in a new section, add the section and add a block. A block is an element inside of a section. Think of it as containers. There's like a Tupperware container that's big and there's more containers within it. So it's like containers and food, so to say. If we want to add a new section, we can also add like an announce bar, for example, like that. You can also add in a custom liquid, but you need to be able to go to do this. And I don't recommend you messing around with it unless you have your technical know-hows. And there's also templates here, image banner. You can also change the text here. Maybe it's like, buy our cool Batman figurines. Something like that. You can also change the size. You can also generate text. You can make it italic. You can make it bold. You can insert a link if you like. Here you can also add, for example, I want to add something on the announcement bar right there. You can add an announcement. On the image banner, we can also add something new, like add a block. There's a lot of blocks like text. On featured collection as well, there's we can add things here as well if you'd like. You can change all of this. You can design it all by yourself. You can add a section on the footer. You can add in an email sign up or a custom liquid. If you have apps, you can put it in here as well. If you want to change or design a different part of the website, just click on the different part. If I want to design the catalog, I'm just going to click on that. And it'll give me into the catalog. Here on the left hand side will be on a different structure as well because it's another site. You can design it all you'd like. And contact, you can also do that. So the essence of designing in Shopify is either changing what's already there, so you can rearrange some stuff, or you can add in new ones by adding a block or adding a section or adding in a new announcement. You've got the basics. Now you can play around with the design in Shopify.